first started learning English, I often felt tired and hesitated to speak. But few simple tips changed everything for me. Today, I am going to share with you 5 practical tips that can make learning English easier, more enjoyable, and effective. These are techniques I have personally tried it and it truly worked. Towards the video, I will be providing you a bonus tip. At the same time, if you like my effort, please hit the like button. It makes me to do more videos every single day. Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. Here is 5 practical tips. First one is focus on foundation. Yes, begin by mastering alphabet, basic grammar rules like sentences, tenses, verbs, and vocabulary. So when you have to know the grammar rules like tenses, we have 12 tenses, right? Where I need to use this tense, where I need to use this tense, we need to know, right? So we need to go for basic grammar rules. What is what? And I said alphabet. Everyone knows about the alphabet. Why we need to say like this? You are thinking, right? No. At first, we are coming from another language. We need to know the pronunciation of the letter, particular word. So we have to mastering the alphabet as well. So that's why I'm saying first mastering the alphabet and tenses and pronouns. Then next go for solid vocabulary. So we need to know just simple verbs. So we need to know the different types of vocabulary. Right? So we need to learn from solid vocabulary every day. Maybe one vocabulary is enough, one word is enough, 2 words is enough based on your time. Based on your time, just focus on learning vocabulary as well. So it makes you more effective learning in English. Building vocabulary, you need to use the flashcards or different types of apps. You can learn from that websites or apps. Next, you can go for immerse yourself in the language. Immerse yourself in the language. What it means? Immerse. Surrounded yourself in the language. Watching movies in English, read books and TV shows, news channels. We have different types of channels. Maybe every channel not available. You have maybe news channels are available. Just search it in a TV, on TV. Otherwise, we have a mobile, right? Why need to afraid of it, right? TV shows, news channels are available. Watching movies are also available in the mobile. Just watch it. You have to watch, instead of watching total movie, you have to watch at least half an hour movie or 10 minutes of movie. Then read subtitles. Read out loud and use that particular sentence or particular word in daily basis. Okay, so like this you have to immerse yourself in the language. Pay attention while listening the videos. Next, reading books, articles, newspapers, magazines, everything. Just read it loud. When you have a time, go with reading. When you have you have a headache, like you are not feeling well to read, just go for watching them videos. Maybe short videos, short films, like everything should be in English. Reading books. At starting, you have to go for prefer stories. Just be best for reading a story at night. Why? Because watching movies and everything, instead of wasting time in mobile, just you have to read a story at night while sleeping, before sleeping. So then you can go for getting your new vocabulary in effective way, and you will get well sleep on the night. Next, third one, practice speaking regularly. Yes, you heard about it right. But where I need to practice? I don't have a good environment in my village. These kind of questions in your mind, right? So, if you have an opportunity, just find an opportunity to speak with someone. Otherwise, we have lots of opportunities nowadays. Why need to afraid of it, right? Just pick it up one object or describe particular places, describe particular subject in front of the mirror or in front of the camera. Otherwise, just think about something, some objects, and few sentences. That's enough at first. Just you have to speak. You have to speak, right? Otherwise, we have a different types of apps are available nowadays to share our knowledge with some negative people, to speak someone in other country people or in our state people only. Just utilize the opportunities to speak regularly, at least few minutes every single day. Whether it may be morning, whether it may be evening. Just try to speak regularly at the particular time. Just schedule particular time, dedicate particular time to speak English, to learn English language. That's better for you. Describing any object in front of the mirror, you may get lots of confidence on you. Try to use this. It's an effective and enjoyable way to learning English. Next, fourth one, label everything. It may be sounds simple, but it is an incredible power to learning vocabulary. Yes, guys. Well, if you find different vocabulary, just write it down on some label and keep it somewhere and paste it. Keep it somewhere. If you see them, it's you will subconsciously reinforce that particular word, particular sentence. It's using a daily basis, that particular sentence or particular word, and you can use daily basis because you are looking to that and you subconsciously think about it and reinforce that word in daily basis. So this is the best amazing way to learning new vocabulary and new sentences, and maybe it may be phrases. Am I right? It may be phrases or keywords or idiomatic expressions. Anything. You have to keep it labeled somewhere, and when you see them, you subconsciously think about it, that particular word or some keywords. So మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్లో చాలా ఉన్నాయండి, నేర్చుకోవాలి. కానీ ఇట్స్ ఎ ఫన్నబుల్ థింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్, it means you may get a smile on your face. If you are learning new language, see, after 1 week you may get some confidence on you, some smiling on your face. It's changed everything, body language and confidence level, everything. It will be changed when you learning English language or any other languages also, comparing with the negative language, because negative language as well, you can talk with anyone every day. If you're learning new language, you may get lots of things, lots of ideas in your mind. So try to learning English language, because billions of people learning and talking with everyone in English only. Billions of people, not only your state people or another state people. Billions of people learning English language. Try to think about it, first of all. Next, fifth one. Use a journal. Yes, well, journal. Try to write anything, your day or your thoughts, your feelings, or about your letter, about your book, everything. What comes in your mind, just jot it down in your notebook. Using same words, using different types of words, using keywords. Try to change every single day. Writing process also. If you are writing your day, whole day, or your thoughts, try to change at least little bit tomorrow. So like this, you have to practice. While writing, it not only improves your writing skills, it changes your mindset, your effectiveness learning about English, and it changes your thought process. Everything will be changed. because you are thinking about the particular thing to write it down, right? So it helps you a lot, guys. Not only for the improves your writing skills, it helps you a lot. Try to write down journal every single day, at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You have a time, right? 24 hours time you have. Maybe 6 hours or 7 hours you can go to sleep. Except that you have a lots of time if you using properly. Tip. I said 5 tips, right? First one is focus on foundation. Next one is immerse yourself in the language. Third one is practice speaking regularly. And fourth one, label everything. Fifth one is use a journal. Next, bonus tip. While learning, it takes lot of time. So stay consistent and be patient. It maybe takes time, 1 month or 2 months, depends on your thought process, depends on your time. So maybe it takes 6 months of time to get more confident. Just you need to be patient to learn a languages. Thank you so much for watching my video. We'll meet on next interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.